Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students of grade 7, welcome to your sciences. In today's video lesson, I'm going to give some activity work to you, and it is based on worksheets. You can take help from chapter number 2, Plants and Their System, on pages 14 and 15 of your science textbook. Dear students, in this table you can see that I have made some rows and columns. And in the first column, I have made some figures related to the plant organs. Now there are two rows which are provided to you, or space provided to you, for writing down the name of the plant organs as well as their description. Even you can also write down the functions. So I'm filling the first space related to the first plant organ, and identification of this plant organ as these are roots. These are the roots of plants. Clear? So in this way you will first recognize the parts of the plants and then write down their name in the space provided here. Second figure is related to the stem of the plant. Third, you can see and easily recognizable. It is a leaf. Fourth one is the flower, and the fifth one is the bud of the plant. Buds, कलियां जिसे आप कहते हैं. In the third column, you have to write down the description, or even you can mention or write down the function as well. Suppose if these are roots, as you can recognize here and write down the name, then you will write down the function of the roots, that what function do roots perform for the plants. So roots hold a plant in place in the ground and also take in the water that is needed by the plant. No need to write down the long description. You can summarize your function or description. For example, you can write the first point related to the root. They hold the plants in the ground or in the soil. You can also write they hold the plant, they fix the plant in the ground. Another function related to it, they absorb water and salts from the soil, or they absorb water and salts. You can even summarize in this way. Second thing which you have to recognize is stems. Write down name stem over here. Then what function do stems perform for the plant? So stem, you know, is a plant's main supporting organ, and it is present above the ground. Here you can see the ground level, and stem is actually grown above the ground level. And what is the basic function of the stem? It holds the leaves so they can get light for photosynthesis. मेन फंक्शन क्या होता है स्टेम का मेन फंक्शन सपोर्टिंग इसका किरदार होता है, और ये लीव्स को अपनी जगह होल्ड करके उसको अपनी जगह पर मजबूती से कायम रखते हैं, जिसकी वजह से ज़्यादा लीव्स फोटोसिंथेसिस के लिए लाइट कैप्चर करते हैं, हासिल करते हैं, और इसी तरीके से ये फ्लावर्स को भी अपनी जगह पर होल्ड करके रखते हैं, जिसकी वजह से ये इंसेक्ट्स को अपनी तरफ अट्रैक्ट करके पॉलिनेशन के प्रोसेस में पौधे की मदद करते हैं. देन थर्ड वन इज़ लीफ, एंड यू नो वेरी वेल लीव्स आर द वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, you can also say the food factory of the plant, and where the photosynthesis occurs. And in this part of the plant, basically plant make their food, and they come in all shapes and sizes. They have various shapes and sizes as well. So it's up to you that what else you know about the leaf you can write here. Fourth part of the plant organ is flowers, and flowers are the main reproductive organ of the plant. They contain the main reproductive parts of the plants, such as the male part and the female part, which are respectively called stamens and carpel. Along with it, you can also write they are brightly colored, they have uh, colored petals, and they have sweet smell, and due to this or due to their sweet smelling, they attract insects towards them. And so plants not only help in the process of reproduction, but also you can write help in the process of pollination. So you have to write down the description in this space provided to you. And the last part are birds. एंड बर्ड्स वो जगह होती हैं जहाँ पर पौधा अपनी ग्रोथ स्टार्ट करता है. सो ग्रोथ टेक्स प्लेस एट द टिप्स ऑफ रूट्स एंड शूट्स. सो यहाँ पर यानी बर्ड्स वो जगह हैं जहाँ पर ग्रोथ स्टार्ट होती है, और ग्रोथ की ये जगह ज़्यादातर रूट्स और शूट्स की टिप्स यानी आखिरी कोने होते हैं, आखिरी सिरे होते हैं. So you have to write down the description related to the birds over here. You can take the help from pages 14 and 15 of your science textbooks as well.